Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about how to make emoji wallpaper in Android 14. Step 1: to get the cutely named emoji workshop menu, you need to open the settings app, then tap wallpaper and style. Now tap more wallpapers, then select the emoji workshop icon. Step 2: tap the die icon to get a random emoji wallpaper, but if you want full control over your new wallpaper, skip to the next step. Step 3: choose from all your favorite emoji which you see appear in the preview as well as in the box. Tap clear all to start again or to tap the check mark to move on. Step 4: now select a pattern. You have a choice of 5 patterns, but because you also have a size slider which changes the look of the pattern considerably too. Step 5: and choose a color. There are 22 options comprising of a main background color and a complementary color for the emoji themselves. Sadly, you can't change the two independently. Step 6: use the lock screen and home screen buttons to see what your handiwork will look like in Sudo. If you are happy with it, select set wallpaper to make things official. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.